In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make any worksheet digital on Google Classroom. This process is quick and will transform how you engage with your students by moving traditional paper-based assignments to a streamlined digital format. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Google Classroom account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new assignment. Head over to the Classwork tab. You'll see a Create button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Assignment. This is where you start crafting your digital worksheet experience for your students. After clicking on Assignment, you'll want to attach the worksheet you plan to use. For this, there are a few options based on where your file is currently stored. You can choose to attach it directly from your Google Drive, provide a link if it's online, or upload it from your computer as a file. This flexibility makes it easy to incorporate materials you already have right into Google Classroom. Now, this step is crucial for ensuring each student has the opportunity to work on their own version of the worksheet. Once you've attached your file, look for the option labeled Make a Copy for each student. By selecting this, you're allowing each student to have their own editable version of the worksheet. This feature is incredibly useful as it prevents students from altering a master copy and promotes individual accountability. Next, it's time to add some clarity to your assignment by providing detailed instructions. Ensure that the instructions are clear, concise, and include essential information such as what students are expected to do and by when. Don't forget to specify the due date so your students can manage their time effectively. Clear communication here can prevent confusion and help keep everyone on the same page. Finally, when everything is in place, it's time to post this assignment. Simply click on the Assign button to share it with your students. Once assigned, your students will receive a notification and be able to access the worksheet through Google Classroom. To recap, we've gone through the steps of logging into Google Classroom, creating a new assignment, attaching your file, choosing to make a copy for each student, adding clear instructions and due dates, and finally posting the assignment. By following these steps, you're setting up a digital environment that enhances learning and keeps everything organized. With your digital worksheet now live, students can work independently, submit their work online, and receive feedback with ease. This process not only saves paper, but also makes it simpler to track student progress and provide timely feedback. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.